All right. We are going to talk about how to link the weekly checklist into your Outlook calendar. Yeah, getting some integration going on. So, first things first, just like last time, go ahead and log into Office 365 online if you haven't already. Go to your browser, search Office 365, click the login link, put in your credentials, boom, you're here. So this is your home page. Like I said earlier, if you have this already on your home page as a commonly used app, go ahead and click it. If not, click all apps, scroll down till you see it, and click on it. So once you're in the planner and you're on the weekly checklist, oh, someone made some changes, nice. Once you're in here, you're going to click on this little three-dot ellipsis again, and you're gonna go to Add Plan to Outlook Calendar right here. And so this is the first step in getting this to go on your calendar. So you want to publish this, okay? So you'll hit the publish, make sure it should already be selected, but make sure it says publish. There's a iCalendar link. You don't really need to do anything with that, but you want to do this button right here where it says Add to Outlook. So we're going to go and click that. It should just automatically load your Outlook online and with your calendar. So, and then you can change the name of it, and there is the link, and then all I have to do is hit save. So it's going to import that, and then all of those things should show up here as an all-day event. And so if you click on one, it will kind of give you a brief overview, but then it'll link you to the actual planner online. So it won't give you the details that you need, but you can at least see on the days of the week in your Outlook calendar with everything else what you've got to do. So if you need to find that, it's going to be right here under Other Calendars. So if I don't want that to show, I can just X that out. And if you want to see that in the desktop client, you go to Calendars. You're going to scroll down over hither, and it should be Other Calendars, Planner, Weekly Checklist. You click that, and then you can merge the two if you want, just to see them together. And then there they all are right there as well. So if I open one of these in Outlook, it lets you know the progress, checklist, and then open this task in Microsoft Planner. So it doesn't give you all the detail you need, but it at least allows it to be in one place for you with everything else you've got going on. So hopefully if this is something you're interested in or you think will help, great, go for it, and let me or your AC know if you have any problems. Thanks, guys.